Francis feast after St. Francis Xavier. We call it the Three Kings feast. We have three kings. One is from Consalem, Maros and Coeli. This year, my neighbor is one of the king from Consalem. In fact, this is the 16th king from our house. Starting with, I was the first one in 1976. The tradition lived on with all my cousins, their sons. And this feast is of the Gaunkars, we call it. And it's been celebrated with great pomp. The horses will go down after the mass, and then the celebration starts.